So, I'm just here with my friend. You know. You know how it
Can't
is.
see me.
Here it is. We're watching Zane.
Wait, shh.
What is different about your helmet? No, he's fine. Do you want to do it anyway?
Ew. He just spit on the lady.
No, he spit on the guy. He's like, "Do you want to do it anyway?" And there's like, like,
Bitches be like. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. What
I'll
else?
take a picture with you.
Who else can we take? Can we make fun of?
Selfie. You ready? Smile.
Nah, delete that one.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Both of us are ugly.
Very. Okay.
No, I want to do the one that has a lot of pictures.
Okay. Oops. Sorry. Polaroid. Wait, this is sunshine. I like it in the sunshine of my pictures. Pretty. Damn it, it was there for a second.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Stop. Oh, damn it. Damn it, I came up the other way.
Exactly.
Okay. Damn it.
There was a lonely
What? No, I can't let that fix. What does the fox say?
farm, and when he got there, he said, "My, this is swell."
That's what Fox say. He said, "My, this is swell."
Download Heyday on the App Store. And
We
find
be
your
taking
way home.
selfies.
Oh, yeah. Because we chill like that.
Or a trika. Right?
On Retrika. Let's say that. Okay, ready?
Okay, ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Wait for it.
I love that one.
No, send me some of them, you know?
I will. Promise.
That's what they all say. Ding, 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 ding. Just move your face.
Oh, damn it. Okay.